Want to transact on your policy without calling the contact center or visiting the branch? Introducing ePlan, your simpler, faster, and easier way to manage your policies online, anytime and anywhere you go. To transact on your policy online, click the Policy Inquiry and Request tab. This section allows you to keep track of your payments and claims. You can also update your contact information online and process policy loan. Let's start with the payments and benefits history. In here, you can view your payment and benefits history for the past 2 years. You can also choose a specific transaction that you wish to review. Once you click Submit, the payment and benefits history of your policy will appear below. You can also print a copy for your reference. Let's now proceed to the Claim History and Request tab. In here, you will have a view of your claim history and request for the past 2 years. A guide on filing a claim will also appear, depending on the type of claim, if hospitalization or accident. Let's try to update your contact information. Security questions must be answered first before the change request. This is to secure the safety of your online transaction. Once answered, you will now be directed to the Contact Information Update screen. Click the tick box of the transaction you wish to update. Enter the updated contact information after clicking the tick box. After filling out, choose the policy you wish to update. Then click Submit. Agree on the policy owner's consent and waiver form. Once done, a confirmation message will appear stating that your request has been processed and your contact information is now updated. A confirmation letter will also be delivered to your registered email address. That is so convenient. Now let us move to filing a policy loan. Remember that policy loan is only applicable for ordinary or non-investment policies. Let's start by viewing the available loanable amount on a specific policy. Once ready, click Go. You will be directed to the Policy Loan Request section where you can process your loan without calling the contact center or visiting the branch. After reading the reminders, you may enter your loan amount request in the box provided. Then review your payout details. You can receive your proceeds in the most convenient way through credit to account or pick up anywhere disbursement options. Once done, agree to the terms and conditions of the loan request. Then click Submit. Agree to the terms and conditions of the disbursement facility you have chosen. Please be reminded that the documentary stamp tax will be automatically deducted from the request proceeds. Agree to the policy owner's consent and waiver form. Receive your proceeds after 6 working days through your chosen disbursement option. That is so easy! Be hassle-free with Philam Life's ePlan. Because real life is about focusing on the things that matter most. For technical support, feel free to call us at 528-2000 or toll-free number 1-800-10-528-2000, or you can also email us at philamlife@aia.com. Let us help each other become major and undisputed. Because with ePlan, we make it possible. Sasama ka ba?